Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to use frames on Canva. Frames are incredibly versatile design elements that act as placeholders for your images or videos. They automatically crop your media into a specific shape, letter, or number, making it super easy to create polished designs. You'll discover thousands of unique frame designs, offering endless creative possibilities for your projects. To begin, open your Canva design and look for the Elements tab on the left-hand side. Simply type frames into the search bar to browse the extensive collection. Once you find a frame you like, click or drag it directly onto your canvas. You can then easily resize and reposition it to perfectly fit your design layout. Now for the fun part, adding your media. Simply drag an image or video from your uploads or the photo library. Hover it over the frame, and you'll see it magically snap into place. If you need to adjust the media's position within the frame, just double-click it. Replacing media is just as simple. Drag a new one over the existing one. Beyond the basics, frames offer even more creative potential. Try combining several frames to build intricate and dynamic layouts. You can also apply various effects and filters directly to the images inside your frames, just like any other photo. Don't forget to experiment with frames for text, creating truly unique typographic designs. Have fun exploring all the possibilities.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.